4, 3, 2, 1, go! Trevor's here. And Kyle's here too. They're both in the conference room.
Rick, come on there.
Kyle's the only one left.
Tony's there.
Ah, shoot.
Dang it! Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me too.
Jordan's gonna have to get you.
Got you.
Huh?
I got you.
Where?
In your shoulder.
Oh, dang it! We're back! Gosh, this is not good fun.
Is that a pen?
Why did
Yeah,
you
it's
have
pin.
a little pin over
That's
there?
pen!
Tony, how'd you do that?
I don't know. Someone shot Trevor.
I don't know how we did that. Gosh, this is stupid. Did you call a pin over there? I didn't call a pin.
Jordan thought he did.
I didn't hear it.
I didn't hear anything either. How we doing?
Pins are only worth 3 points anyway.
We're doing okay.
Oh yeah, we got him.
You gave the pen to us, but we'll take it back. We're still up.
2, 1, go!
Got your gun.
It's not a good spot.
Got your gun. Got your gun.
Tony's in here.
That's coming. I got you before me.
Oh. Got you, Trevor.
Ah, Kyle's by the fridge. I wasn't. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm lying. Oh, your team sucks. Kyle's just hiding in random spots by the bathroom door.
Got your gun.
Catch Johnny.
Gotcha.
Did I hit you? I don't know if I hit. Did we hit each other?
Fine.
Is that a pin or no?
Yeah, that was a pin.
I got the drop on Jordan a few times. That's pretty good.
Jordan was mad. He's like,
Kyle's by the He's hiding in random spots. I don't